Reynaxis Solutions.
Hi, I'm Glenn of Reynaxis Solutions. Welcome to my vlog. Today we have a cartridge for Canon MF 3010 Laserjet printer. These cartridges are refillable, and some of the models have that refill hole with plastic cover, but some of the models also do not have that kind of refill hole exposed. So refilling it is a bit tricky, and here my colleague Ivan is going to show us how to refill a specific model that is different from the usual cartridge. If the refill hole is not exposed, you can remove the cover by following the technique that Ivan is using. So first unscrew the screw that is covering the refill hole, but as you can see here, Ivan is gently removing the top cover and now the refill hole is exposed. The model for the toner cartridge that does not have an exposed refill hole is that one, while the cartridge model that has an exposed refill hole is this PY2DA26. So if you want to buy a cartridge for Laserjet printers, then you must select a specific cartridge that does have an exposed refill hole for easier refill. Now that the refill hole is exposed, you can remove the seal or the cover with your own finger or with a tip of a screwdriver. As you can see, you can purchase any toner powder from Lazada or Shopee, but make sure that the type of toner powder that you get is compatible with your Laserjet printer. Here we are using a specific type of funnel that is for refilling toner cartridges. You can buy this type of bottle from Lazada or Shopee as well. The benefit of using this type of bottle to refill an empty toner cartridge is that it can prevent powder spill and minimize the risk of exposing yourself from this harmful powder, because inhaling this can cause health problems in the end. So by using this type of bottle, you are directly injecting the powder into the toner cartridge. Probably a quarter of this bottle is enough to refill one toner. And you can refill that bottle from the toner powder pouch that you can buy from online shops. Now, to determine or to figure out whether you have refilled or you have put enough powder into the toner cartridge, we can use a long screwdriver and dip it inside the cartridge. And as you can see, the powder will adhere to the screwdriver. Then you can use that to measure how much toner has already been added inside the chamber. For good measure, we always refill up to halfway through or less than halfway. By experience, we should not refill an empty cartridge to more than half of its chamber, as we are risking a powder spill when the printer is printing or photocopying. The reason for that is that there is not enough space in the cartridge to swirl the powder around, and if it does not have enough space to do that, it will just pop out of the cartridge. We have that, we've experienced that many times. So we learned from previous examples, and we avoid that mistake by not filling the entire cartridge fully. Ivan is closing the cover once again to seal the refill hole, and he's gonna show us some technique to close it properly. He said align that part first before totally closing totally replacing the cover, and you will need to push that spring thing over there. He's gonna point it out to us there. Nudge it a little bit when you are putting back the cover. That way it will fit right in or snugly. So there you go. After that, you can replace the screw and tighten it up, and it should be good to go. But after that, you also need to put back the locking mechanism, that plastic lock there, and it should seal the entire thing. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked this. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day everyone. Goodbye.